What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking for a simple all-in-one coconut oil that's good for cooking, hair, and skin, you're gonna wanna check out this one from Viva Naturals. This is their cold pressed coconut oil. You can get it in a nice big tub like this, which is what I love. And I've just started this one. You can see right there. It's got a really nice, creamy, thick consistency, and it melts almost instantly. So first of all, this coconut oil is unrefined, and it's also cold pressed, which means that it's going to have a lot of its natural coconut aroma and flavor. It hasn't been overly processed. This means you get more of the natural goodness that's inside the oil. Second, on the hair side, because of its composition, it helps to hydrate your hair, and it can be used to help nourish the scalp as well. Just don't leave it on for a long time. You can use it as a conditioner, you can use it as a detangler, you can even use it as a mask and leave it on for a little while by wrapping up your hair after you've put it in. Now on the third side, on the skin and cooking side, it's great as a body moisturizer. It leaves your skin feeling really, really soft, and it has that really nice, yummy coconut smell that makes me think of tropics and sunshine. It will work as well as a massage oil. There's so many different applications for this. Melts and rubs into your skin. It's great as a moisturizer for your hands, and I find that my skin absorbs it super, super quick. When you flip and use it into the kitchen, it's great for baking and for lightly frying. Now, you're not going to use it in a high heat situation, but it will give you a really nice tasty coconut flavor and coconut aroma. As well, it is USDA organic and non-GMO as well. People who use this for keto and paleo diets, and it uses coconuts that are grown and harvested without any harsh chemicals or additives. Whether you are using it for oil pulling in your mouth, to help get your teeth cleaner, whiter, and help with gum health, this is an awesome coconut oil. I love the size of it. It's one that lasts for a long time. The consistency of it is really nice, and I just can't get over how much it smells like a fresh coconut. So whether you are treating your hair, pampering your skin, or cooking something delicious, this cold pressed coconut oil from Viva Naturals is definitely a family favorite at my house.